Hi everyone, the Scratch Game Jam number 13 is about to kick off. You'll have 2 weeks to create a game that fits the theme using Scratch, Timberweb, Gandi IDE, Penguin Mode, or any other Scratch tools. The theme for this jam is false reality and no true ending. Yes, we have 2 themes this time. You can choose one of them or both of them to create your game. Here are 2 examples that fit the theme. The Bending of Isaac. This game is based around a child that fits his imagination. This counts as false reality, the embodiment of his problem as enemies for the player to battle against. This also fits the no true ending theme, since its gameplay is very replayable, and there is always something new for players to accomplish. Minecraft. This game is an endless sandbox experience. It always introduces new features and activities for players to engage in. This game emulates real life with its natural world generation, its organic life forms, and ultimately the abstract translation of a simpler world, one made of cubes. Before you start to create your game, make sure to read the detailed rules on each page of Scratch Game Jam number 13, and join our Discord server to discuss the theme, update devlogs, and play test with other creators. We are excited to see more creative and challenging ideas. Good luck and have fun!